Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is quantum systems to deliver 15,000 Interceptor drones to Ukraine expands partnership with WIY drones. German drone manufacturer Quantum Systems has been tasked to deliver 15,000 Interceptor drones to Ukraine as part of efforts to strengthen air defense capabilities. The contract aligns with priorities set by the Ukrainian government to counter aerial threats. The company said the drones will be supplied to the National Guard of Ukraine. Interceptor drones have become a critical capability in countering Russian unmanned aerial attacks. The agreement follows Quantum Systems' investment in Ukrainian unmanned systems manufacturer WIY drones. The partnership is intended to support local production and servicing of combat-proven interceptor technologies. WIY Drones specializes in the development of interceptor drones, reconnaissance and strike UAVs, as well as ground control systems. The collaboration will focus on scaling production of the Strela interceptor drone. Strela, meaning arrow in Ukrainian, is designed to intercept fast and maneuverable aerial targets. Production will initially be expanded in Ukraine to meet urgent operational requirements. Quantum Systems said the joint effort could also support future exports of surplus production. Additional details on further development and production plans are expected to be released at a later stage. Sven Kruk, co-CEO of Quantum Systems, highlighted the role of Ukrainian expertise in the program. Ukrainian engineers have developed some of the most effective counter-drone technologies in the world. Quantum Systems brings these solutions to industrial scale and helps Ukraine close its sky. The company said the partnership reflects its broader strategy of supporting Ukrainian defense innovation. It added that scaling such capabilities could also benefit international partners in the future. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.